Today we are kicking things off by recognizing someone making a big impact on the future of South Carolina, our Child Care Hero of the Month from the Midlands region. These outstanding educators work with ABC Quality, a program from the South Carolina Department of Social Services that supports early child care across our state. Let's meet this month's hero and find out what drives their passion for helping children grow and thrive. Today we're out at Excel Academy and I am joined with your Child Care Hero of the Month, Miss Stasy. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. It's an honor. It's a blessing.
Absolutely. So you said you've been in the childcare industry for quite some time.
Yes.
You started as a nanny babysitter and now growing to this. So tell me a little bit about your journey with childcare and why you were drawn to that.
I was drawn to it because I love kids. I love taking care of them. I love to see their growth. I love to see just being able to interact with them and see how much fun we can, having a lot of fun with them and helping them in the daily walk, you know, to learn new things and just see how active they are and how creative, just how enjoyable they are when learning new things. And I love it, yes.
That's awesome. Do you work with a certain age group specifically, or do you work with kids kind of all across the...
I work with, with different age group, with younger kids and also preschool kids.
Okay. Do you have like a favorite age to work with?
I love working with the younger ones. I love working with the younger ones, yeah.
Yeah, why is that?
They're just joyous. I just love working with the younger kids, I know.
And they're curious.
And they're curious,
They're so curious.
Curious and learning new things, and things like that. Yes.
Yeah, it's also kind of challenging working with kids. They can be loud and, you know, unexpected. We don't really know what they're gonna do. Super curious, like we talked about, constantly learning. What would you say is the most challenging part about working with kids?
Well, you have to have patience. It takes a lot of patience, and you have to love the job. You have to love what you do. You know, for me, I love working with kids. You have to have patience. You have to be able to problem solving, a lot of problem solvings for them, and be on the go to the levels and be patient and loving with them, and you know, and stuff like that.
Yeah. What's your favorite part?
My favorite part is seeing the growth and the development, being able to help them lifelong, because I know that I'm not just changing the life in the classroom, but it's a lifelong experience for them for the future as well, to be able to learn and to grow, yes.
Yeah, and my last question for you, for someone who maybe wants to pursue a career in childcare, what advice do you have for someone who maybe wants to do what you do?
I would say to go for it, you know, because there's a need for teachers there's a need for teachers, and it's a great opportunity to be able to inspire kids and to teach them, not just academically, but also socially, emotionally, and spiritually, to help their abilities to grow, you know, and also to learn new things and to help them in the daily walk, in daily life. Yes.
Absolutely. Well, I am so excited to give you your certificate. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
If you have a teacher or educator in your life that you want to nominate to be a Child Care Hero of the Month, you can do so at abcquality.org/childcareheroes. That's abcquality.org/childcareheroes.